Today we came out to Parker's Diesel, my boy Matt, helping him with my trans for the second gen. Obviously, he's going to do most of the work. I'm just learning, helping out with whatever he needs a hand on. And yeah, man, so y'all stay tuned. So here we got the 1500 horsepower rate transmission parts from GaraN and Sunex and all that, So 35 spline input shaft, big boy output shaft, intermediate billet, everything 100% ready to go for 1500 horsepower, which I am not nowhere near that, but it's better to overshoot to be safe on parts so you don't break them so easy. Over here we got the 2400 stall converter. This is the transmission that we're using. I bought that used and gonna clean it up. I just took all that apart, all the pieces and everything, the tail housing and all that. But yeah.
But don't wait. The fan.
So now trans is built. It's been a couple of days after it got built. I was there helping Matt for a couple more days just to get some other things kind of done and out the way for him. But yeah, now we're back to our hometown, back at home, where I do all my work at. And now we're gonna slap this thing in and get some fluid in there, clean this truck up some. Didn't really get to do much that I really wanted to do for LST, like clean up all my battery terminal wiring and just clean up a lot of stuff. I know I mentioned that a lot is because I really want to do it and I hate the way it looks, but obviously at those times before, for one, we didn't have time, and definitely, just not the time and rushing to get this thing to the shows and whatnot, blah blah, or something else fucking breaks and I have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to buy new parts and fix that and whatnot. So after LST, this thing will be not mess with any more power, just cleaning up, like all of this. I don't like none of this, ever did, but it's what we had to deal with at the time. So clean this up with the batteries somewhere else, clean this up, make new brake lines to the gearbox and the power steering pump, just really clean everything up, make the dash original dash work with the common rail swap, which we have everything that we need, we just haven't had time to mess with it. So that's where kind of where we at. And yeah, I guess just watch me slap this thing in and hopefully we get all done today and drivable by this evening or tonight. It don't matter, I'm trying to get it all done. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, she's in. Got all the bolts in and everything. So, now, I'm gonna do the convertible. It's kind of at the end. I want to just mount everything, the cross member and all. Alright guys, so as you can see, fixed the drive shaft, got the drive shaft in. That wire right here was to my old transmission cooler. Got the transfer case in, everything. I need to go get a longer bolt for this one, just because of that little you know, thicker spot. It pushes back that little bolt that's right there. The one in the back right there worked because it was a shallow one like this. So got the AN fittings on, everything good to go, shifter deal on, everything. Just gotta clean it all up, probably put this somewhere up here somehow. Got the wiring done for the converter and overdrive, the lockup, I mean, and the, well, same shit, but you know what I'm saying. Now, to figure out where the heck I'm going to mount this sweet Durrell intercooler. And this is one of the best ones with the big fan. Got this from Summit Racing. So I was gonna make brackets, but shout out to my boy Matthew. He had an extra set of these brackets. Oh shit, they're not in here. They're actually over there. Let's see. From Fire Punk. So they're pretty cool. You can adjust them at whichever angle you want. And yeah, you just gotta bolt it on here. Bolt them on here, right there where those deals are, the holes. And adjust it where we want it. And figure out where we want it in the bed. guys. Pretty nice, pretty sturdy. These are, you don't need a nut behind these. These have that forgot, I can't really think off the top of my head what they call those screws, but you just pop a hole smaller than what the bolt is, and it makes its own threads and holds in there, and also has like its own like little lock washers for the top side of it. But that looks pretty sweet. I did decide to move it over one rail, and I think it looks so much better. Yeah. Alright guys, there it is. Nice sturdy. With the plug, so if I ever need to take it off for some reason, that's that. Sturdy. Ran through. All the way under here. Yeah. Yep. You know, end up putting the front drive shaft on, but I probably won't. Not until I have the spare front axle that I need to, that's fully rebuilt, that I need to put on here, because this front axle is jank. Just so if I ever do, I mean, it's why I built this Transfor is for the four-wheel drive launches, but I don't want to break stuff, so I rather rip this axle out, put the rebuilt one in, and be safe doing four-wheel drive launches.